What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, as you know by now, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has been banned from the National People's Assembly conference that is going to be done in December. This news was broken by Sunday World and the City Press. And some political analysts out there are saying EFF must release a media statement to explain why they are banning Mbuyiseni Ndlozi from that conference. The reason why Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is said he's going to be banned is because they fear that he might win the deputy president post because he has so many fans out there, and Malema does not like Mbuyiseni Ndlozi at all, as he is way too aligned with Floyd Shivambu. Floyd Shivambu called Mbuyiseni Ndlozi his brother, but refused to call Malema his brother. So Malema or the EFF have decided to ban Mbuyiseni Ndlozi from the conference. And these political analysts are saying they must explain why they are doing that. But Sina Otambo has come in and also defended the position of the EFF, and they are saying they have no reason to provide any explanation to any gossip that is circulating out there, because this news that he has been banned was broken by the Sunday World and the City Press, and it was just basically gossip. They didn't have any proof as to what they were saying. So Sina Otambo is saying the EFF is not a representative of individual interests, and it does not answer to any gossip that is circulating out there. So the EFF is not going to be forced to release a statement for any gossip that is circulating out there. So this is actually true. So Sina Otambo is saying it's actually a pathetic question for the SABC to be reporting this. If anyone said anything around the state of their membership outside of the official communication of the EFF, they must confirm or deny. The EFF is too big to be turned into a PR of individuals. Those who fed you what you are reporting must feed you explanations for it. So the commissar of EFF is saying, go back to the people who told you that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has been banned. So the EFF is not going to explain. But what we are going to see is that in December, is Mbuyiseni Ndlozi going to attend or not? But what is clear by now is that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi might attend the conference to cover up any PR disaster that might happen, because all eyes will be on Mbuyiseni Ndlozi as to whether is he going to be there or not. But if he attends, he is definitely not going to be nominated for any position. His name has already been thrown into the mud. As Julius Malema is definitely fighting him not to get any position going further. And there are also rumors that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi might be recalled from the parliament after the NPA assembly in December. So this is what is happening out there. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.